Hello, my name is Mihir from gsmX. Can you please introduce yourself and your company?
My name is Mandy. This is Echo. We are from the Rewa. We are doing the spare parts for the phone, laptops, tablets. Also, we do the tools and refurbish machine. So our company's idea is to power your repair business. So we will offer all the repair business related parts and tools to our customers.
Can you please tell us what products and services do you specialize in?
We focus on the repair and the refurbish business, parts and the service, repair training, tools, machines.
How much % do you sell to B2C, and what is the key to success in the B2C sector?
We have online shop for the individual customers, which is interested for the repair area, but only I think maybe 5%.
As this is the beginning of the final quarter for 2024, how has this year been for you so far, and what are your plans for the next year?
This year I think is hard for all the people, but our company is keep increasing than the 2024. And in the 2025 we will have the new plan. Maybe we will enlarge our local cooperation with some customers like US, Europe, and Dubai.
Which new countries or regions would you like to explore or expand to for the brands and products that you're moving?
We want to do step by step. Maybe the first one is US, then to Europe and UAE.
Can you please tell us how has gsmX Dubai 2024 been for you so far?
This is the first time Rewa attends the GTEX Dubai. We think it is good. We still need to have further cooperation with the customers.